day everyone, and welcome back to Techtorial. In this video, we are going to be introducing the use of Kognity in Teacher's View. Kognity is a digital publisher that uses technology and textbooks to elevate students' learning experience. Now let us get started. First, let us start by signing into Kognity. Open your browser and search for kognity.com. After that, click on Login on the top right. Teachers should have been provided their account, so just type in your email address and password, then click on Login. If you have multiple classes, all your classes would appear in the dashboard. To view a specific textbook and all its content, click on the View Textbook button on the classes. Click on the topic you would like to see, and then click on the subtopics you want to see. A section is a part of a subtopic, and each subtopic will usually have multiple sections. At the end of each section, there would be section questions. These section questions can be seen by scrolling down and clicking on the Show Questions. This would show the questions and its corresponding answers. Kognity also enables teachers to supervise students' reading. To view students' progress on reading, you can see it per section. Below the title of the section, this is separated per class, and when you click, you can see the name of the students. After going through the textbooks, let us show you how to create an assignment. First, you need to go back to the dashboard and then select the class you want to assign the assignment to, and then click on Create Assignment. Then click on Reading Assignment. Note that reading assignments require the student to complete the section questions. When redirected to another page, click on the topics you want your students to read, and once done, you can proceed to Step 2. Click on the button bar. In the next page, you can enter your name, recipients, usually Google Classroom, revision of the content for the assignment, and also enter an instruction and set a deadline. Next, you can enter a review and then send in some date for review and schedule. If you pick review and schedule, you'll be asked to put the time you want the assignment to be scheduled. Now let us get on to section assignments. Same process as before, go to the dashboard and click on the Create Assignment and then Question Assignment. You will be redirected to another page, and you can filter the topic by the left side of the screen. Then click on the questions you want to assign. On the questions, there are different types of questions, mainly multiple choice and short answers. The difficulty of question as well as topic is also shown. You can also create your own questions by clicking on the Add Question on the top right of the page. Add the question you want into the text box given. You can also add an image. There are two types of answer style, short answer and also multiple choice. For short text, students are to type in their correct response in the given space. For multiple choice, students are to find the correct response from 4 choices. You can also add an explanation, however, it is optional. Once you're happy with the question, click on Save. Once again, you would go to Step 2. Same thing like before, enter the name of the assignment, the recipients, instructions, and deadline. Then you can either review or schedule or review and send. Additionally, for question assignments, there is one setting called Submission Settings. You can either disable or enable the submissions, and can either enable or disable showing score immediately after submitting. Next, let us get on to exam style assignments. Same process as before, go to the dashboard and click on Create Assignment, then Question Assignment. You'll be redirected onto another page, and you can filter by topic on the left side of the screen. Click on the questions you want to assign. Exam style questions are different from the normal question assignment because they are structured questions and usually answered using open-ended, and it is not marked by Kognity. You can also make your own exam style questions. To do this, first click on the Create Questions and then add the question and mark scheme, and then click on Save. You can also change the total marks and the paper type. It is filtered by topic. Again, follow the previous instructions, Step 2 to finish the assignment. Thank you for watching our video about Kognity. Hope our video guides you on getting around Kognity. If you like our tutorial videos, leave us a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to come back every week for a new tutorial video or turn on the notification bell to make sure you are notified for every new upload. That's it for now. Bye!